Diyan kami galing. Ito yung nanay. Nakabalod. And here we go. Here we go down. Parang ikaw si Jermaine, habang nagbibideo din siya. Mga ganon. This is the whole, beauty of Bell Church. And next destination, we're going to La Trinidad Farm.